How to rotoscope in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Add your footage to the timeline, then come over to the Object Mask tool. Make sure that you have the rectangle selected, and then click and drag over your subject. Premiere Pro is going to analyze and select your subject. If this needs refining at all, you can use the plus and the minus buttons with the lasso and the rectangle tool to adjust this selection. Once you're then happy, come over to Effect Controls, come into Object Mask, and under Tracker, click the play button to play forward. This is going to mask out every single frame in your video. Once that's complete, we can then use this data to rotoscope or cut out this individual from the background. This can be achieved by clicking into the object mask and then just simply dragging it into opacity. And as we can see there, it's done a great job of removing that background there. If you want to soften the edge around your subject, you can then come back into Effect Controls, come into the opacity and object mask, and increase the feather and the mask expansion to suit your video's needs. And that's all there is to it.